Did you know one man's pilgrimage was so wealthy it crashed the global economy? In 1324, Mansa Musa ruled the Mali Empire, controlling half the world's gold supply. When he decided to make his pilgrimage to Mecca, he brought unimaginable wealth. 80 camels, each carrying 300 pounds of pure gold. 12,000 slaves, all carrying gold bars on their backs. As his caravan passed through Cairo and other cities, Musa gave away gold like it was nothing. He handed out so much precious metal that gold prices collapsed across the entire Mediterranean. For over 10 years, the economy never recovered from his generosity. His spending was so excessive that he actually ran out of money on the return trip. He had to borrow gold just to get home. Modern economists estimate his wealth at $400 billion in today's money. European mapmakers started drawing him as an African king on a golden throne. Mansa Musa became history's first global celebrity, famous for literally breaking the world economy with his kindness.